welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will doing the Acer A31556 Aspire 3's RAM and SSD upgradation in front of you. So friends, let us start the video. So friends, which I talk about the Acer laptops model, that is Acer's A31556 model. You can see inside 4GB RAM and 1TB hard drive. And friends, I will doing the 4GB RAM upgradation. It means I will add the 4GB RAM externally. So friends, I will doing the 240GB and 2 SSD upgradation. And friends, that 4GB RAM is integrated RAM. Friends, which RAM is I inserted in this? That is ADATA 4GB 2400 MHz RAM. So friends, you can see I have inserted the 4GB RAM. So friends, in this laptop total RAM is 8GB. So friends, I have inserted that 4GB RAM. And by default it has 4GB RAM. So friends, in this laptop you can see the 8GB RAM. So friends, this is the RAM and SSD upgradation of 4GB in this laptop. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.